Hello everybody. Okay, so today I have made a circuit to demonstrate the concept behind IoT, that is Internet of Things. So many people are confused about the concept of IoT and about how what lies behind IoT and how IoT works. So today I'm going to show you by an example or say an application of Internet of Things, using which it will clarify the application of IoT in today's world. So now I have a circuit in which I have used a Bolt IoT module. This is a Bolt IoT module and it uses a ESP chip. ESP is a famous chip that is used to connect to the internet, and this is a module which uses ESP, and this module makes it very easy to connect with the internet because it provides us with its own cloud platform to connect with the internet, and it also provides us with predefined libraries and a environment to code. And here I have a LED. This is a LED and the LED is connected to a resistor for safety purpose. This Bolt IoT is powered by a laptop cable, and you can see this is a 3.3 voltage board that it accepts 3.3 volt. Now I will try to show you how this circuit works. First of all, we need to connect this IoT module to the internet. I have already done that using my laptop here, and I opened the IoT cloud platform. This is the IoT cloud platform. As you can see, this is my Bolt device, Bolt module, which is online, and you can see that LED test 2 is my predefined code which I will run right now so that we can switch on the LED. The code actually is very simple. I will show you the code. We'll go here. This is the interface to interact with the Bolt module, and this is a very simple interface. That's why I'm not using ESP directly but using this Bolt module. Now this is the code, right? This is the code which we are going to run to switch on and off the LED using internet. We are not going to do this wirelessly through internet. I will show you right now. Okay, save. Okay, we will go back now, and now we will run this. So I will run the code. Now we have this. So this is a switch for switching on the LED, and this is for switching off the LED. So now I will show you that. First I will switch on the LED. You can see that the LED has been switched on, and now I will switch off the LED. So you can see that through internet I am controlling the LED through the internet. Now LED on. So this is LED on. Now LED off. This is LED off. So you can see that the cable, there is no communication between the module and the computer through the cable. It's only to power the module. Whatever the communication is taking is through the internet. The module is connected to the laptop through a hotspot. I will show you. Here we can see that the module is connected to the laptop through a hotspot provided by the laptop, and the laptop in itself is connected to the internet. So the Wi-Fi module is able to access the internet through the laptop. So in this way we can use IoT in our everyday life. So this is the concept behind IoT, that is we use internet to operate devices. For like in this application I have used the internet to activate an LED. So this is the concept behind IoT. That's all. Thank you.